In the previous video, we talked about simple tools which are necessary for our designing. In this video also, we want to go further and talk more about these simple tools. If you want to learn AutoCAD or you want to boost your information about it, please stay with me, Ali Reza Alawi, and your own YouTube channel, the PaveCraft. If I want to draw some rectangulars in AutoCAD, I should write rec in command line or in my screen. In the next step, I will dedicate different dimensions for my rectangular by using tab on my keyboard to change its dimensions. Now I want to draw an arc on my rectangular, so it is necessary to write arc on a screen and specify the first point of my arc. After choosing the suitable radius for my arc, I will remove the additional lines on my screen by using trim that I talked about it in the previous video. Due to I want to have an unique object, I type join on my screen. Now I want to change the edge of my rectangular to smoother one. I use the fillet command. I have a rectangular with a smoother edge. And another command for our AutoCAD is polygon. You can use this command to draw regular polygon shapes. And now I want to draw a pentagon. I wrote these commands on my screen, and if you want to choose their items, you can choose them here. In this situation, I want to teach the array command. I prefer to draw a smaller circle on top of the main circle. I remove the additional line here and use the array for publish my circle around the main one. There are some differences between these three items. If you want to draw different items from your circle, you should choose the polar one. Now I can choose the number of my items that I want to publish around my circle. Let's learn about the more items of array. It is really necessary tool for our future drawing. I want to publish and release the other objects aligned with this line. So it is necessary to choose the pass option. As you can see, I have different items align my path. Okay, we talked about 2 options out of 3, so let's talk about the third one. I want a rectangular with different items and objects. By using this option, the shape we had have now formed a rectangular. And as you can see, I can change the columns and rows numbers. Finally, if you want to use the array results individually, you should use the explode command. Now if you want to fill the blanks of your objects, you should use the hatch. Filling these blank spaces, you can change the type and style of your hatches. If you want to increase or decrease the spacing between the hatch lines, you can change them here. And if you want to apply changes to its angles, you can change the angles here. Sometimes we draw some lines with spacing or even interface between two lines. So it is necessary to use the chamfer tool. It can automatically increase your length of lines or even remove some additional lines. Finally, if you want to change the direction of your objects, you should use the mirror or rotate. Firstly, it is necessary to know that if you use the mirror tool and change the direction of your object, AutoCAD will ask you that you want to erase the previous object or no. If you click on yes, it will be removed, and if you click no, the previous shape will be remained as well. And if you want to expand the object around a point, you can use the rotate. In fact, there are some subtle differences between mirror and rotate. Flips the objects across a line, and rotate spins the object around a point.
Rise up beer and bring the wine-filled cup. Cast dust upon the sorrow time builds up. Place the wine goblet in my hand so I may strip this blue cloak of hypocrisy. Though wise men call it shame and infamy, we seek not pride nor name but ecstasy. Pour the wine, enough of vain progress. Dust upon this futile self and death. Smoke from the sides, within my aching chest, has burned these cold, unripe hearts without rest. No confidant I find, not high nor low, to whom my mad heart's secrets I can show. My joy is with the one whose tender grace at once stole calm and peace from my heart's place. He who once saw that cypress silver-limbed looks not at garden trees, though finely trimmed. Persevere, Hafez, through hardship night and day. At last your wish shall find its destined way. Pour the wine, enough of vain progress. Dust upon this futile self and death. from the sides within my aching chest has burned these cold, unripe hearts without rest. Pour the wine, enough of vain proud breath, dust upon this futile self and death. The sighs within my aching chest has burned these cold, unripe hearts without rest. No confidant I find, not high nor low, to whom my mad heart's secrets I can show. My joy is with the one whose tender grace at once stole calm and peace from my heart's place. He who once saw that cypress silver-limbed looks not at garden trees, though finely trimmed.
Thanks for watching this video until the end. Please subscribe our channel, like our video, and make us informed about your ideas about our channel.